It's been over a year since we first came across the Oppo Find 5, the company's flagship that really put the otherwise obscure company at the time on the map. But here we are, with the Find series successor in the Find 7a. In fact, Oppo has two otherwise identical flagships up for grabs, the Find 7 and the Find 7a that we have at hand. The more affordable version, the 7a, is the slightly less powerful model of the two. It's got a typical 1080 by 1920 pixel resolution display instead of a QHD 1440 by 2560 resolution one, and it makes use of slightly less potent components in the processor, memory and battery departments. At $499, this makes the Find 7a $100 cheaper. Yet, despite its relative inferiority to its higher-powered sibling, the Find 7a still is every bit a desirable flagship. But is it more desirable than what the competition has to offer? Let's take a look. In the box: 4.5A wall charger with support for VOOC rapid charging. MicroSD cable. Earphones. Design: the Find 7a is a looker. Thankfully, that didn't come at the cost of proper ergonomics. It is very comfortable to hold. If nothing else, Oppo has always struck us as a company that is very conscious of design, down to the finer details. With the Find 7a, the company reinforces that feeling. We have clear-cut lines and an overall simplistic design that certainly appeals to the eye. Frankly, and despite failing to mount a challenge against aluminum-clad phone like HTC's One, the Find 7a definitely begs no questions. Its high-end beginnings are obvious even to passers-by. So what material, then, is responsible for the corpus of the 7a? Unsurprisingly, it's made of polycarbonate, though the chrome ornaments seen with the frame, the buttons on the side, and even the camera ring, to add to the overall beautiful and sturdy construction of the phone. The plastic rear shell has an intricate mesh texture to it, helping with the grip. Overall ergonomics are pretty decent, too, considering the size of the phone, 6.01 by 2.95 by 0.36 inches, 152.6 by 75 by 9.2 millimeters. When put side by side with the 5.7-inch Galaxy Note 3, for example, the Find 7a proves slightly taller, but noticeably narrower. That said, the Find 7a is notably larger than the Galaxy S5 and HTC One M8. At the front, you have medium-sized bezels, with a set of capacitive navigation keys and an inconspicuous rainbow-shaped LED notification light on the bottom. Looking at the 7a sideways, we have the power button on the left, while the volume rocker took to the right side of the frame. Unfortunately, these are rather flush with the surface, and offer minimal travel. Worse yet, it feels like they're a little sticky.